It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and my name is Tom Stroup, and this is Find the Right Road. And I'm on my way to the Italian Happenings Car Show in Rochester, Michigan with my 12-year-old nephew, Eric. Eric, say hi.
Hi.
Eric, what kind of cars are we going to see today?
We're going to see Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and other things like that.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to seeing a lot of cool Italian cars. So stick around. Yeah, look at this one right here.
Oh, that one's cool.
This is called an F12.
Oh, looks extremely angry.
It looks extremely fast.
That too.
Yeah. Well, you see the dealership is here. This is a Maserati.
Has golden
2015 Lamborghini Huracan.
Has golden rims.
Yep, with gold rims.
It's good, huh?
2018 Huracan Performante. As we watch a couple of Ferraris pull in.
Oh, Ferrari.
Yeah, and that's black one.
Oh my God.
Is another Ferrari. That looks like an 812 Superfast to me. Or maybe an F12.
Ferrari in white.
Yeah,
Did
look
not
at all
expect
that.
How much are all Ferraris again?
About $3 million.
Oh my God. $3 million cars here. These guys are nuts.
Eric, check out the exhaust tips. Look how big they are. You could fit your hand in there.
Yep, I could definitely fit my fist in there.
You like that wing?
Yep. Wing looks cool. Shoot! This is a Lamborghini Huracan 2020. The brand new Huracan.
Yeah, you finally got to see one, huh?
Yep.
The 2017 Huracan LP 582 Spyder.
Same body style, same generation cars. Yeah, well, like
I think that's every single Lamborghini there is.
and it doesn't have a 2.0. It's got the 3.2.
Oh, that's aggressive spoiler.
2005 Gallardo.
Our cars are still things for how we practice. Last time I saw him was at
1989 Countach. '89 Countach.
Kidding me.
Yep, look at the windows. That's as far as they go down.
God, look at that. There's literally a hole.
Yeah.
And a very angry, awesome spoiler.
A very angry, awesome spoiler.
Yes.
458 Spyder, 2013. So first it was a 458, and then out came the 488.
It was very similar.
Let's see what this model is, huh? A 599 Fiorano,
2008.
2008. Yeah.
So when I was born, this car is also existed.
Here we have a 92 512 TR. Here we have a 2009 yellow F430. Oh, look, Eric, look inside the engine bay. You can see the engine in there. Want to go tell me what this one? Why don't you go tell me what this one is?
Really bring a clean car. I don't think I know
What do you see?
Ferrari F430.
Yeah, F430, 2005.
I think that's in Countach.
Your left leg's going to get turned up. This is fantastic. Yeah, I was thinking about trading in my car. And
See, you can see the engine bay in this one too, Eric. You should stand up there and, yep, you can see the V8 engine in there. Okay, Eric, you want to walk around to the sign and tell me what this one is?
A Ferrari 458 Spyder.
A 458 Spyder? Yeah, look at the headlights. Look at the lights. All the way up the side like that.
So far,
Does it say what year it is?
it is made in 2015.
2015.
5 years ago.
Yeah. You want to go tell me what this one is, Eric?
That one
What
is
model is that?
a Ferrari 308 made in 1985 in red.
1985 red Ferrari 308.
Yep.
This is a classic.
When you look at it, you don't really think much of it until you see its logo. Then you know, oh, shoot, this guy owns a Ferrari.
Well, and you got to remember how old it is.
Yeah. So that means it's like an artifact.
You think a Ferrari 308 is an artifact?
Antique. That's the word. It's like an antique.
Well, it is 35 years old. Still looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. Maybe not as good as the modern day one, but still looks cool.
Still looks cool. You still like it?
Yep.
Go tell me what the black one is.
That is a Ferrari 360 Modena 2003 in black.
Okay. Yeah. Check out that interior. Look at the shift knob.
It's a skull.
Yeah,
I
isn't
think
that
that's
wild?
actually just custom.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just custom.
Yep, a custom
I
thing.
don't think he bought it with a skull for a shift lever.
This
This is a Ferrari V8.
V8. I couldn't
Yeah.
tell.
Even says, look at the exhaust. Even says 360 on it.
Yep.
This is a Ferrari Testarossa. Yeah, you want to go read the sign? Tell me what year it is?
It is in 1986.
What's
so
it?
a year after that one.
What's it say? 1986?
Yep. 1 year after that. you need any help, I'll help you.
So Eric, go tell me what that car is.
328 from 1987 in black. And
328.
Replacing that one, which
So
replaced
replaced-
that one.
No, the 308, then went to 328. These were sold, the Testarossa and the 308 you see over there were sold at the same time. They made both cars at the same time.
All right.
Yep.
And then this.
And then the 328 came out to replace the 308.
Yep.
So Eric, tell me what this car is.
This is, yes, it is a Ferrari 488 Spyder from 2017, and it is $279,900. Yep.
And it has 3,503 miles on it.
Yeah. Amazing car.
Yep, see the Italian flag?
Yep. See it.
So this Testarossa, the gentleman was saying, has 93,000 miles on it. Yeah, look at this.
We already talked about it, remember?
What are we looking at,
Oh,
Eric?
wait, no, we did not. It is a 2008 Ferrari 430.
Scuderia.
Yep.
And how much does it cost?
It is $189,900.
Yeah?
And they like putting 900 at the end of their numbers.
You think so?
Yep.
So you're going to buy it and take it home? Tell mom and dad you bought a car? You don't have that much money? Check out. Look at the back, Eric. Another Ferrari V8 engine. Look at that.
Don't know how you can identify it.
And that's because I know an F430 is powered by a V8.
Oh.
Even a Scuderia. Yeah. Except I don't see a sign on it. Although I could pretty much tell you,
I don't.
my guess is it's a 328. If you go around back, it might tell you.
All right.
Why don't you look around back?
Yep. 328 GTS.
It's a 328 GTS.
Speciale A. Made in 2015.
A 458 Speciale A.
Yeah. Made in 2015. And is red for the main door. White for the secondary. And with some shiny, very shiny black rims.
Yeah, do you see what he's got mounted on the floor on the passenger side?
A fire extinguisher.
Yep, he's got a fire extinguisher.
Probably so that when his engine accidentally bursts into flame, he can put it out. This is a V8? I don't know.
Yep.
I'm just taking a wild guess. A lot of these have V8s. Oh, that one looks cool.
Yeah. You want to walk around front and tell me what this one says?
100 or so cars here. And they're all parked, yeah, but all
A
parked on grass.
Ferrari 456 GTA.
From what year? 1998?
Yep, when Zilla came out. Tour de France. Let's
Yep,
go.
a 456 GTA.
Yep. That one, which has an award on it. One behind it, very matte finish. Wow, it's like
148 Pista. Down in that engine bay.
All right, I gotta find my crew.
the picture of that one.
You do the nose and part of the fender, leather, side bolster, and then Motor City Solution.
Let's go see what the white one is. What you got there?
Oh, I don't know.
This is a 2015 Ferrari California in white with a cream interior. And what you're looking at is the original window sticker that said it was originally $244,000.
Also has 4 seats.
Yep.
2020 Ferrari Portofino.
Yep.
And it's $256,202.
For a 2020 Ferrari Portofino
Yes.
in blue
Finally, they
Mirabu
Yes. And finally, they didn't put 900 at the
with
end of their number.
with a Bordeaux interior.
It's actually red interior. Red interior. Also, it has 4 seats,
That's right. A Portofino has 4 seats.
which is very
So earlier we looked at a California. This came out after the California. Came the Portofino.
This one looks really cool.
Yeah, you like this car?
Yep.
We're gonna look at the silver one next. Why don't you walk up and tell me what the sticker says?
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
Yep. It's a 2019 Ferrari
GTC Lusso.
Regio Titano,
Yeah, so it's a GTC4 Lusso T,
and it has 1,009 miles on
and it only has 1,000 miles on it.
it. That's pretty far.
And it's a 4-seater. And it's got a big trunk.
Bye, guys.
Check it out, Eric. Yeah.
And a Lamborghini. I'd get one if I could.
So, Eric and I had a great time at the Italian Happenings Show 2020 here in Rochester, Michigan.
Yep.
And Eric, what was your favorite car? Would it be the one behind us?
Yep.
Yeah,
Be
the
that
2020 Huracan EVO.
Yep.
My name is Tom Stroup. This has been Find the Right Road. Check us out next time.